Hello everyone, welcome to watch the installation video of the HS5-5A high voltage lithium iron phosphorate battery energy storage system. Before we start, please make sure you have read the complete operation manual and understood all the safety precautions. I'm your installation engineer, and today I will guide you through the entire installation process. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the following tools and materials. Please make sure all the items are ready. Before starting the installation, let's conduct a safety check. Now, we're going to disassemble the high voltage box and showcase the components inside it. The components in the high voltage box include the delivery inspection report, manual, warranty card, ground wire, network cable, screws, power line, and bracket. After confirming that all the components are complete, remove the high voltage box from the cardboard box. The packaging box is equipped with a high voltage box and a battery base. Now we will open the battery packaging and check if all the components inside are complete. The components inside the battery box include screws, a battery holder, and a battery modular. Now, remove the battery from the cardboard box. First, place the base against the wall, ensuring that the distance between the base and the wall is at least 30 mm. Please note that the levelness of the base must be less than 2 mm. Next, insert the locating pin into the base. Finally, use a screwdriver to attach the fixing pin. After the fixing pin is installed, the first battery modular should be placed on the battery base. Next, follow the same steps to open battery box, second, third, and fourth. Then install them. Install the second layer of battery box following the same steps. Install the third layer battery box following the same steps. And install the fourth layer battery box following the same steps. After all the batteries have been installed, the high voltage box will be mounted on the battery modular. Insert the power and the data cables into the connector box until you hear a click sound. Make sure the metal clips on the plugs are facing upwards. Connect the battery to the BAT terminal of the inverter through a power line. Connect the battery communication cable to the BMS port of the inverter. After removing the cap of the circuit breaker, turn on the circuit breaker. Long press the power button for at least 5 seconds to activate the battery. After the battery is turned on, the operation diagram of the battery system can be observed on the inverter display screen. Now start to set the battery type. After entering the battery settings, select the Pioneer protocol. Also, you can view the battery information on the Solis application.